Welcome to episode number 4 of turning $100 into $1 million. In this series, as you know, I risk a whopping $100 of my own money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million, 7 figures. In this episode, we'll be doing some quick updates on my positions, showing you a free stock I received. We'll be analyzing that stock, doing a quick overview of it, and I'll also be telling you how you can receive not just one, but many free stocks of your own as well. Now, for the first time in the series, we're going to be looking at my phone screen as opposed to my desktop, and that's because I can actually show you the free stock and also tell you how to get your own free stock as well, and many of them. So we're going to be heading over right to my phone screen. See you there. So we have my Webull app loaded here. This is the actual app, and the free stock that I received was Viacom, or ticker symbol VIAC. It had an estimated value of $12.43, and that is very impressive for a free stock. And in Robinhood, if you saw some of my previous videos, you'll know that I received 2 stocks just because I referred a friend of Fitbit stock, and that was valued at the time at just a few dollars. And now that I was very lucky that Google acquired Fitbit, and the stock nearly doubled to now 6 and change, but that was very impressive. And you can get your own free stock, and it tells you your invites, who you've referred, who's deposited funds. So if you go to your status here, you can see the friends invited, account approved, and deposit completed. It also gives you some FAQs of why perhaps your referral link did not work and why you don't see that free stock loaded in there. So this special offer, during this promotion, your first referral will grant you 3 free stocks, each valued between $12 and $1,400. Now, granted, you probably will not be lucky enough to get the $1,400 stock, but something like that would be very, very lucky and impressive if you did. If you get that stock, let me know down below. I will try to copy you in your strategy, but you'll probably receive something like I did with Viacom. That was $12. Now, Robinhood, again, they'll send you a stock, but this will be a couple dollars, a few dollars. So Webull is really nice that they give you something at minimum $12 just for referring a friend. So that's a very good referral bonus. And you get 2 free stocks after your first successful referral. Any additional successful referrals will only grant you 2 stocks, each valued between $12 and $1,400. Please be aware that the value of the stocks may fluctuate, as you will know, especially in these times. How referrals work. Step 1, you want to share your unique referral link with your friends or family via email, text, or social media. So you could send, just blast some emails out and send to them. That's a little spammy. You might not want to do that unless they are expecting it. Step 2, when a user who has never had a brokerage account, that's very important with Webull, taps on your referral link, so you have to be sure that they click it and sign up. And then they open a brokerage account and make an initial deposit of at least $100 or more within the 30-day grace period of signing up. Then you'll be able to receive your referral stocks. And in terms and conditions, you can read through. They say this bonus is only valid the 1st of the month to the 16th, but it isn't going away, so you don't have to worry about that. That will continue on for quite some time. So we're back onto my desktop, long time no see, and let's take a quick look at Viacom. So Viacom CBS is the media conglomerate that is essentially a merger of CBS and the second incarnation of Viacom. And so now you have Viacom CBS. So the stock, at the time at least, when I actually took a look at it and requested that free stock, that stock was valued at $12 and change, but the market was very much up today. So now it's actually valued at almost $14. So that's pretty damn good for a free stock, and that's more than the Fitbit stock times 2. So very, very good for just a simple bonus. And that was actually not from referring somebody. That was just a free stock I received from signing up under someone. So it's not like I had to actually refer anyone to get this stock valued at about $14 now. And today the market was up a lot, so that is why the stock has shot up. And the dividend has a dividend, which is very good, of almost 7%. Fitbit, the free stocks I received with Robinhood, that does not offer a dividend. So the fact that I'm getting the free stock and also some dividends down the road for as long as I hold it, I don't see any reason in selling it, at least anytime soon, unless there was something major news I was aware of. Then that's all free money for life. But the profit potential doesn't necessarily just stop there with the big opening that it had today, the jump that it had when at the open. If you look at the 1-year chart right before the pandemic, this was trading at above 30, even touching over $40 just a couple months ago. So not only is the potential there for it to maybe go to like $20, but now this stock could actually double and triple. And if you really want to take it back in mid 2019, this was trading at above $50 at one time. All free money, and I didn't even refer anyone. So now talk about referring other people. So any time that you want to get a free stock, now is going to be it, because you don't want to wait to see a stock that you might receive at $12 now could potentially be double and triple the price. Whereas in many, many months from now, when hopefully all this is over, you're just going to receive something that may not have much growth potential. So if you want to get your free stocks, now is the time to do it. My link will be in the description down below. You can get some free stocks. I win, you win. It's a win-win scenario. Click that link down below, open up your account, make the deposit. You don't even have to necessarily invest in anything. You can just keep that cash in there, and you can get free stocks just like this, potentially that could have a large return on investment. So in essence, it's a no-risk scenario if you don't want to put any money in anything, or maybe just want to throw that cash in some fund. It is a very low-risk, almost zero-risk scenario. Even if the Webull company were to blow up, someone were to blow up the headquarters, your money is still insured by the government, and so you don't have to worry about something like that if you are so speculative and nervous about investing your money. For all the cynics out there, this is a great way to make some extra cash. Open up one under a spouse, open up one under a relative, get those free stocks, stack up your money. And you don't have to be obligated to hold that stock. You could sell it right away after you make a little money, after hopefully the bear market is over, and you can get yourself a nice dinner, fix a repair on your car, anything of that nature. Let's look at some updates on the stocks in question, the ones that are in my portfolio. So as you know, I'm holding ABR. ABR had a very good day today. Still, I am down though. Shot up almost 23% with the Dow up as of today, Monday. The Dow was up almost 8%, 1627.46. Big day on Wall Street, and so this stock after hours is closed above $5. The other stock in question is OXLC. That stock up, including after hours, above 5% and above 20 cents at the after hours closing. And so not a bad day for my two stocks, but I am still down a little bit, the account value. But including that free stock, and after that stock hopefully goes up a little bit, I would actually be in profit. So not a terrible, there's some silver lining, some glimpse of hope for this series. And not only is the free stock free, but also as the stock rises, that dividend will also rise as well. So it's just more rewards to reap for such little risk. Hope you enjoyed the episode. As always, you don't want to miss any future videos or episodes. Be sure that you do hit that like button if you enjoy the video. Be sure that you are subscribed so that way you don't miss any future episodes or videos. I post videos every single week on my channel. You're not going to miss any of them. And be sure that you hit that notification bell as well, so that you're notified every single time I make a new one. See you in the next episode, and get those free stocks. Link will be down below.